Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a navbar in Webflow. We'll start by adding the navbar component from the Elements panel. Then, we'll customize the brand link and navigation links to reflect your site's structure. You'll learn to adjust the default styling, ensuring it perfectly matches your design vision. This foundational step is crucial for a cohesive and functional navigation system. Next, we'll dive into layout and styling. You'll discover how to use Flexbox or Grid to arrange your navigation items efficiently, creating a clean and organized look. We'll then apply custom fonts, colors, and spacing to individual elements, giving your navbar a unique feel. Finally, we'll design responsive breakpoints, ensuring your navigation looks perfect on every device, from desktops to mobile phones. Now, let's add some interactivity to your navbar. We'll implement drop-down menus, perfect for organizing nested navigation categories and keeping your main menu clean. You'll learn to create engaging hover effects and active states, providing dynamic feedback to your users. Plus, we'll configure the mobile menu toggle, ensuring a seamless and intuitive navigation experience for visitors on smaller screens, enhancing usability. Finally, we'll cover best practices and publishing your work. It's crucial to ensure accessibility by using semantic HTML and proper area attributes, making your site usable for everyone. We'll then test your navbar thoroughly across various browsers and devices to catch any issues. Once everything is perfect, you'll publish your Webflow project, making your custom-built, fully functional navbar live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.